Most people think their travel gear is still good enough for today's airports, but in 2026, that belief can ruin an entire trip faster than you expect. Security lines move differently, scanners catch more details, and airlines are stricter than ever with what you pack, how you pack it, and how fast you move through checkpoints. And while travelers feel updated because they bought a new suitcase 5 years ago, the truth is, many items they still carry belong in another decade. So in this video, I'll show you the 15 outdated travel items that can slow you down, cost you money, or even get you flagged without warning. Stick around until the end, because removing just one of these could make your next flight smoother, safer, and far less stressful. Item 15. Old passport covers are now a travel trap. Passport covers were once a stylish way to keep documents clean, but in today's airports, they create one of the biggest slowdowns in security. TSA officers need your passport loose and ready, and digging through a fitted cover makes you fumble, unzip, tug, and fight with leather that refuses to cooperate at the worst moment. I used to like the fancy look, but every trip turned into an awkward dance of pulling and peeling while everyone behind me sighed. In 2026, the smarter move is keeping your passport in a quick access pocket during security, then storing it in a zippered inner pouch once you're through. Always save a secure photo of your info page on your phone, too. Losing your passport abroad is panic you never want. And this next item might be sabotaging your trip without you noticing. Item 14. Thick, everyday wallets slow you down everywhere. Your regular wallet probably feels normal, but for travel, it's one of the most outdated and risky items you can bring. Thick wallets filled with store cards, old receipts, and random gift cards make you bulkier, slower, and far more tempting for digital pickpockets. In 2026, thieves don't need to touch you. They can skim cards through pockets in a second using small scanners. I learned this the hard way when my card was cloned during a layover while my wallet never left my pocket. The smarter option is a slim RFID blocking travel wallet with only essentials: one card, your ID, a backup, and a little cash. This keeps your valuables safer and makes moving through airports and city streets much easier. A smaller wallet also reduces the pain if something gets lost because you aren't replacing half your financial life. And if you think old tech is harmless, the next point will surprise you. Item 13. Outdated power banks are a hidden flight hazard. A power bank from 5 or 6 years ago may look fine, but on modern planes it can be a genuine risk. Older batteries degrade, overheat more easily, and some models lack the safety features airlines now expect. That's why old power banks are banned from checked bags, and sometimes questioned even in carry-ons. If a battery swells or gets hot mid-flight, it can trigger an emergency response no traveler wants to experience. In 2026, new power banks come with temperature regulators, auto shutoff systems, and faster charging speeds in smaller bodies. I upgraded mine recently, and the difference is huge. No overheating, no battery anxiety, and no desperate hunts for outlets during long layovers. Look for airline-approved safety labels and choose a capacity that fits your travel style. A reliable power bank isn't just convenient, it's a safety upgrade that protects you and everyone else on board. And speaking of things hurting you, your bag might be next. Item 12. Shoulder duffels destroy your back faster than jet lag. Soft duffel bags look cool on Instagram, but in real airports, they turn into shoulder-destroying torture devices. After 1 or 2 terminals, the weight digs into your muscles, pulls your body off balance, and drains your energy long before you reach your gate. I once carried a duffel across a huge airport during a tight connection and arrived at the plane sweaty, sore, and out of breath. Never again. Even crossbody duffels become awkward when you're rushing between terminals. In 2026, rolling duffels in spinner backpacks are the superior option. They glide across floors, free your hands, and help you move with confidence instead of wobbling like a tired pack mule. They also slip easily into overhead bins and make tight spaces far less stressful. Travel should not feel like a fitness challenge, and your shoulders deserve better than a bag that punishes you for walking. And if your suitcase feels outdated too, this next point will hit home. Item 11. Two-wheel suitcases waste energy and time. Dragging a two-wheel suitcase behind you can feel like towing stubborn luggage through molasses. These bags tilt, snag, and force you to yank them around corners like a reluctant pet. Airports today are built with long corridors, sharp turns, and tight walkways, and two-wheel bags simply can't keep up. Upgrading to a four-wheel spinner suitcase changes everything. You push it beside you upright, glide effortlessly through lines, and maneuver around crowds without losing balance. When I finally switched, I felt like I'd unlocked cheat mode for airports. Even small tasks like entering restrooms or walking through cafes became smooth instead of clumsy. With airlines tightening weight limits and security flows becoming faster, efficient luggage is more important than ever. Your suitcase should help you travel, not fight you the entire way. And once your luggage moves better, it's time to fix what's inside it. Item 10. Bulky toiletry kits waste space and slow down TSA. Old-style toiletry kits encourage overpacking and make it impossible to find things quickly. Huge bags filled with full-size bottles, scattered grooming tools, and random items not only weigh you down but also trigger longer inspections at security. TSA needs liquids separated, visible, and easy to check, and big toiletry bags turn this simple rule into chaos. In 2026, modular pouches and stackable travel kits are the smarter alternative. They separate liquids, skincare, and grooming accessories into clearly defined sections, making everything lighter and more organized. I switched to smaller pouches last year, and packing instantly felt easier. TSA officers also prefer transparent cases because they can verify items without digging through your belongings. Using compact containers forces you to take only what you actually need instead of preparing for imaginary emergencies. Travel feels lighter when your toiletry kit stops taking over half your suitcase. And speaking of taking space, shoes are next. Item 9. Packing too many shoes turns luggage into dead weight. Shoes are one of the easiest things to overpack, and they're also one of the heaviest. Travelers bring extra pairs just in case, but those cases rarely happen, and the weight always does. Heavy sneakers, boots, and sandals pile up quickly, pushing your luggage toward weight limit fees. In 2026, the smartest approach is simple. Wear your bulkiest pair on the plane and pack only one lightweight, comfortable pair for walking. Modern travel shoes are waterproof, compact, and surprisingly stylish, meaning you don't need 3 backups anymore. I once brought 4 pairs for a trip and ended up wearing only 1. Now I limit myself to 2 and feel more mobile, organized, and stress-free. Shoes should serve your trip, not drag your luggage into penalty zone territory. And comfort matters even more once you're in your airplane seat, especially when clothing starts causing trouble. Item 8. Ponchos are cozy at home, but a nightmare on planes. Ponchos are charming when you're outdoors, but on airplanes they become tangled, oversized disasters. They catch on armrests, spill into neighboring seats, and make bathroom trips feel like escaping a fabric trap. I wore one on a long flight once and regretted it every minute. It constantly shifted, twisted, and got in the way. The smarter 2026 choice is a fitted sweater or travel wrap made from warm materials like merino wool or cashmere. These fabrics keep you comfortable without swallowing your personal space. They're breathable, easy to remove, and perfect for chilly cabins. The slim, structured layer also keeps you from overheating while still giving you warmth when needed. Ponchos may look cute, but practicality always wins when you're squeezed into a small seat. Before we continue, here's something important. If you're finding these tips helpful so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It helps me create more smart travel videos that save you time, money, and stress every time you fly. Now let's get into the final items that travelers should never bring on a plane in 2026. Item 7. Inflatable neck pillows are sleep sabotage. Inflatable neck pillows used to be travel favorites, but now they flatten, leak, and offer almost no real support on long flights. They force your head to wobble, tilt, and fall forward in awkward angles that leave your neck aching for days. I used one for years and always wondered why I felt terrible after red-eye flights until I realized the pillow was the problem. In 2026, structured travel pillows with chin and side support are far superior. They fold flat, clip onto your luggage, and actually hold your head in place so you can rest properly. The difference in comfort is huge. A good pillow makes long flights feel manageable and helps you arrive refreshed instead of exhausted. Sleep matters, and the right pillow finally makes it possible in economy seats. And now let's upgrade your tech too. Item 6. Outdated converter blocks are heavy and unnecessary. Those bulky plug converter blocks many people still pack are outdated and far too heavy for modern travel. Most current electronics, including laptops, shavers, and hair devices, are already dual voltage, meaning they automatically adjust to different countries' electrical systems. Instead of bringing giant bricks that overheat and take up half your bag, the smarter 2026 move is carrying one simple universal plug adapter. It's lighter, safer, and faster, and it prevents electrical mishaps that can damage your devices. I used to bring multiple converters until I realized none of them were needed anymore. Today's adapters are tiny and efficient, and they keep your luggage organized instead of cluttered. Modern travel is all about simplifying your setup, not hauling unnecessary weight. And speaking of simplifying, your headphones need an upgrade too. Item 5. Wired headphones make flying harder than it should be. Wired headphones seem harmless, but they tangle instantly, snag on armrests, and make moving around your seat feel like managing a small trap. They also take up more space and can get damaged easily inside your carry-on. In 2026, wireless earbuds with noise cancellation are the smartest choice. They're compact, comfortable, and allow you to move freely without cords pulling you back. Add a small tether to avoid losing them during naps or turbulence. I switched from wired headphones to wireless ones, and long flights instantly felt quieter and stress-free. They block engine noise, crying babies, and loud conversations, helping you relax or work more easily. Good audio makes a huge difference in the travel experience, and going wireless gives you more freedom. And when it comes to keeping valuables safe, this next item is a big mistake. Item 4. Hidden money belts draw more attention than you think. Money belts feel safe because they hide your valuables, but in reality, they signal exactly where your most important items are. The moment you reach under your shirt to pull out cash or a card, anyone watching now knows your secret spot. In crowded areas, this is an open invitation for pickpockets. In 2026, the better option is a slash-resistant crossbody bag with a small tracker inside, like an AirTag or Tile. Keep one card in your wallet, one in your bag, and one in your hotel safe so you're never left stranded. I stopped using money belts years ago, and traveling became more comfortable and less stressful. Good security is discreet, not obvious. And if you tend to overpack, this next point will change your life. Item 3. Just-in-case packing always backfires. Extra sweaters, backup chargers, extra earbuds, random accessories. These just-in-case items usually end up untouched, yet they fill your bag with heavy clutter. I used to pack like I was preparing for a survival mission, but most things stayed buried the entire trip. In 2026, airlines are stricter with weight limits, and packing unnecessary items can lead to surprise fees or frantic repacking at the counter. The smarter approach is packing for the trip you're actually taking, not the one your imagination creates at 2 a.m. Ask yourself, will I definitely use this? If the answer isn't clear, leave it. Streamlined luggage makes airport movement smoother, reduces stress, and keeps your essentials easy to find. Traveling light is a skill that pays off every time. And the next item is even more important because it controls whether you even board the plane. Item 2. Errors in travel documents can ruin your entire trip. A tiny mistake on your documents can stop your trip before it even begins. If the name on your ID doesn't match your boarding pass exactly, you could be denied boarding or pulled aside for screening. Dates, times, and airports must all be correct too. And in 2026, airlines are stricter than ever about document accuracy. Your passport must also be valid for at least 6 months beyond your return date for many destinations. To stay safe, triple-check everything, then check again. Keep photocopies of your passport, ID, and important cards stored separately in case your originals get lost or damaged. Digital copies are helpful, but physical backups can save you when tech fails. Your documents are your golden ticket. Without them, nothing moves forward. And finally, the biggest mistake travelers still make today is also the most avoidable. Item 1. Airport security jokes can end your trip instantly. Joking about bombs, weapons, or anything related to threats may feel harmless, but in airports it is taken extremely seriously. In 2026, security systems are tighter, monitoring is sharper, and agents have zero patience for humor in sensitive areas. Even a sarcastic comment can trigger questioning, delays, missed flights, or permanent bans from flying. I've seen travelers escorted away simply for making a joke they thought was harmless.
The best approach is staying calm, respectful, and focused. Save humor for after you pass through the checkpoint. Your goal is to get to your gate with no issues, and avoiding risky comments protects you and everyone around you. A smooth airport experience starts with smart behavior, not jokes that can be misunderstood. Travel is stressful enough. Don't add trouble you can avoid completely. Thanks so much for watching. These 15 outdated travel items may seem small, but removing them from your luggage can completely transform your travel experience in 2026. The smartest travelers pack light, stay organized, and avoid the mistakes most people never notice until it's too late. Travel smoother, safer, and smarter every time you fly. Click any of these videos on your screen, and I'll see you in a moment.